Welcome to our interior design tutorial where we'll show you how to transform your ordinary bathroom into a modern shower oasis using a range of stylish components. If you're ready to give your bathroom a fresh and contemporary look, let's dive right in. Before we get started, take some time to plan your design. Consider the layout, color scheme, and style that suits your taste. Modern bathrooms often feature clean lines, neutral tones, and a touch of luxury. First, remove any old fixtures and tiles to create a clean canvas. Be sure to turn off the water supply and electricity before starting this step. Now, let's focus on the foundation of your shower area, the tiles. Choose large, sleek tiles for a modern look. Install them on the walls and floor to create a cohesive design. Remember, a well-leveled surface is crucial for a polished finish. Install a modern shower base or tray. This not only looks great but also ensures proper drainage. Make sure it's level and secure. Next, it's time for your shower enclosure. Opt for a frameless glass enclosure for a sleek and open feel. Install a stylish shower door. You can choose between sliding, pivoting, or hinged designs. Your shower hardware is crucial. Install a high-quality shower head, a convenient hand shower holder, and a combination of grab bars for safety and style. Be sure to place them at the right height and spacing. Now, for the plumbing, choose modern fixtures such as a minimalist shower faucet and valve. Thermostatic valves are excellent for precise temperature control and safety. Add a shower niche or shelf within the enclosure to keep your bathing essentials handy. These can be incorporated into the tile design for a seamless look. For added comfort, consider a built-in shower bench or seat. It's not only practical but also adds to the contemporary aesthetic. Illuminate your shower space with modern lighting fixtures. LED lights and well-placed wall sconces create a soft, inviting ambience. Don't forget about ventilation. Install an exhaust fan to keep humidity in check and maintain a healthy bathroom environment. Now, let's shift our focus to the vanity area. Choose a sleek, wall-mounted vanity with clean lines. Above it, hangs a large, well-framed mirror for a touch of elegance. Finally, complete the look with some decorative elements like modern bathroom accessories, plants, or artwork. These personal touches will make your modern bathroom truly unique. Congratulations! You've successfully transformed your bathroom into a modern shower oasis. Remember, a well-thought-out design, quality materials, and attention to detail are the keys to creating a stunning modern bathroom. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips and inspiration. Enjoy your beautiful new bathroom.